Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho Campaigns with brand styling assets, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Zoho Campaigns with your brand styling assets, log into your Zoho Campaigns account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings section in the left sidebar. In the settings menu, find and select the branding option. You will see various sections for brand styling, including logo, colors, and fonts. First, upload your company logo. Click on the Upload Logo button and select the image file from your computer. Ensure that your logo is of high quality and meets the recommended dimensions. Next, set your brand's primary color. Click on the Color Picker tool and select your brand's primary color. For accuracy, you can also input the hex code for your specific shade. Move on to your brand's secondary color by following the same steps. This helps create a cohesive look across your campaigns. Now it's time to choose your brand fonts. Navigate to the Font Settings section. Select appropriate fonts for headings and body text that align with your brand identity. Make sure the fonts you choose are available in Zoho Campaigns. Next, you can customize the email template default styles. Click on Default Styles and adjust settings such as font size and text color. Ensure your text is legible and matches your brand guidelines. Review the preview to see how your brand will appear in the emails. Make adjustments as necessary to achieve the desired look. Once you are satisfied with your brand settings, click on the Save button to apply your changes. Optionally, you can create custom templates using these brand assets. Navigate to the Campaign section to start creating your first campaign. Select Create Campaign and choose a template that aligns with your brand styles. In the email editor, incorporate your brand logo, colors, and fonts into the design. Preview your campaign to ensure consistency with your branding. Finally, send a test email to yourself to verify the appearance and overall layout. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.